Now you're going to want to put the motherboard into the case. This can be slightly complicated because you have to attach the motherboard into the back of the case. So it's probably a good idea to flip the case over so that it's on its side, so you don't have to screw it vertically. To the side. Make sure you don't crush anything. Inside your case, you will find some sockets that will be placed with holes that you will find in your motherboard, like this one and this one. It'll be pretty simple to determine which ones need to be screwed in. Make sure you screw in all of your screws, and make sure that there's no other metal parts sticking out that could have contact with your motherboard, because that could cause some malfunctions. You're also going to want to have the I/O shield, which accepts the outputs from your motherboard popped in. I've already done that, but you're going to take out a metal plate just by twisting it, and then you'll just pop this one in from the front or the back depending on how it's made, and that'll just let you access your motherboard ports from the outside of your case. You can see I've already done the same thing with my cases for my cards that I already know are going to go there and there. Once again, all you do is twist it out, and this is just so you can access your cards from the outside of your case. So I'll go ahead and screw in the motherboard. Screws will be included with the motherboard. Just check to make sure that everything is lined up, and just for this one it is also important that you do not tighten it too much, because that can damage the motherboard if it bends. If you find multiple holes to screw into on your motherboard, more that there are in the case, those are just there for extra options in case you have a weird case or a different kind of fan for your CPU. You might find a few around your CPU processor area for that reason, so you can attach different kinds of fans. As I said before, watch out for metal parts. That can also be similarly applied to if you put a screw into an area where there is no socket. If it touches metal, the metal of the case, that can cause some problems. So now I've installed my motherboard, and from the previous step, we have our two drives.